Welcome to the amazing world of Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart. Born in 1756 in Salzburg, Austria, he was a musical genius from a very young age. At 3 years old, he was able to play the piano, and by the time he was 5, he was already composing his own music. Let's see what you know about music notation. You will be given 10 seconds to think about the answer before I reveal the answer.
What do we call the symbols that represent sounds in music? 8 notes. B. Clef. C. Piano. D. Rest. That's right. The correct answer is A. Notes. Great job.
As young prodigies, Mozart and his sister Maria Anna traversed Europe and performing for kings and queens. Time for another quiz.
Which of these notes is the longest in duration? A. Minim. B. Semi-brief. C. Crotchet. D. Quaver. Correct. The answer is C. Semi-brief. Keep up the great work.
As Mozart grew older, he faced many challenges. He struggled to find steady work and often lived beyond his means. Here's another question.
How many lines are there in a standard music staff? A. 4. B. 2. C. 5. D. 1. That's right. The answer is C. 5. Great job.
But despite these struggles, he created masterpieces like The Marriage of Figaro and Don Giovanni. Ready for another quiz?
Which of these notes is the shortest in duration? A. Crotchet. B. Quaver. C. Semi-brief. D. Minim. You got it. The answer is B. Quaver. Fantastic.
Mozart's music has influenced countless composers and continues to be celebrated around the world. Here's another question.
What are the two main types of clef used in music? A. Treble and tenor clef. B. High and low clef. C. Treble and bass clef. D. Sharp and flat clef. Correct. The answer is C. Treble and bass clef. Well done.
Tragically, Mozart died at the young age of 35 in 1791. The cause of his death remains a mystery. Let's test your knowledge of accidentals.
What is the name of the accidental? A. Flat. B. Double sharp. C. Natural. D. Sharp. That's right. The answer is D. Sharp. Great job.
Though his life was cut short, Mozart left behind an incredible musical legacy. Here's another quiz.
What does the top number in a time signature represent? A. Number of beats in a measure. B. Speed of the music. C. Type of note used. D. For notes. Correct. The answer is A. Number of beats in a measure. Awesome.
Today, Mozart's music is performed in concert halls and movies all around the world. Ready for another question.
What is the name of the accidental? A. Sharp. B. Flat. C. Natural. D. Double sharp. That's right. The answer is C. Natural. Keep it up.
Mozart's music has the power to bring people together and evoke emotions. Let's see how well you know your note values.
What is the number of counts on this note? A. 5. B. 3. C. 4. D. 2. Correct. The answer is D. 2. Fantastic.
Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart was a true musical genius whose works continue to inspire us today. One last question for you.
Where was Mozart born? A. Australia. B. Germany. C. Austria. D. Italy. That's right. The answer is C. Austria. You did an amazing job.
Thank you for joining us on this musical journey.
Remember, even the greatest musicians and athletes didn't get to the top without dedication and hard work. So keep pushing yourselves, stay curious, and embrace the challenges ahead. I can't wait to see how much you've grown by our next meeting. Keep up the great work, and see you next time.